Present perfect simple and present perfect continuous. How to form the present perfect continuous, positive and negative statements. Subject, auxiliary verb, been, and the ing form of the verb. I have been working here since 1992. He hasn't been sleeping well lately. For present perfect continuous questions, put the question word before the auxiliary verb, followed by the subject, been, and the ing form of the verb. How long have you been studying English? How long has she been playing tennis? In some cases, either the present perfect simple or the present perfect continuous can be used with the same meaning. We often do this with the verbs work and live. I've worked here since 1992 is the same as I've been working here since 1992. However, we often use the present perfect continuous to emphasize the action and the present perfect simple to emphasize the result. I've been working on this report for 3 weeks emphasizes the action of working. I've finished the project emphasizes that the project is done. We've been cleaning the house all afternoon emphasizes the action of cleaning. We've cleaned the bathroom and the kitchen emphasizes the fact that the bathroom and kitchen are done. Remember that state verbs are never used in continuous form. I've been knowing my best friend since elementary school is incorrect. The correct sentence is, I've known my best friend since elementary school. She's been understanding everything in the advanced class so far is incorrect. The correct sentence is, she's understood everything in the advanced class so far. In spoken English, we often use the present perfect continuous to talk about ways you have spent your time recently. Hi, Joanna. What have you been up to lately? I've been training for a karate competition. Wow, good luck. And how is your son? He's good. He's been studying a lot lately because finals are coming up next week.